Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to free up disk space on Windows 11. If you're running out of storage or just want to optimize your system's performance, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's delete temporary files. These files are used by Windows to store temporary data but can take up a lot of space over time. Click on the Start menu, then type in Settings. Open the Settings application. Go to System, then on Storage. Now under Storage Management, here you can find temporary files. Click Remove Files. Only check in temporary files. Okay, then click on Remove Files. This process might take a few minutes, but it can free up a significant amount of space. Now all you need to do is remove files. After this is done, what you can do is next let's enable storage sense. This feature automatically frees up space by deleting unnecessary files. Go to settings again, then on system, then click again on storage. Now here you can see storage sense. It's toggled has been off. Simply click on. You can customize the settings based on your preference. For example, set it to run when disk space is low and choose how often you want to delete temporary files. With a storage sense enable, Windows 11 will automatically manage and clean up space for you. And that's it. This step should help you free up disk space on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.